Today I am going to review about the best camcorders on the market. Number 1. Osonita Video Camera Camcorder. The Osonita Video Camera Camcorder appears to be a versatile and multifunctional camera that offers high-quality video and photo capabilities. Its 1080p divided by 30 fps video recording and 24MP photos with high-sensitivity CMOS sensor make it perfect for capturing clear and steady footage even in low light. The external stereo microphone is a great addition to the camera, effectively eliminating noise and improving the stability of the audio. The camera offers several other useful functions, including 3 inches 270-degree rotation screen, built-in fill light, anti-shake, face detect, beauty face, smile capture, self-timer, webcam, pause function, auto power off, USB 2.0, and TV output. One of the standout features of the Osonita Video Camera Camcorder is its ability to function as a webcam, providing high-quality video streaming on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and Twitter. Additionally, it has a TV output feature that allows you to connect the camera directly to your TV to play high-definition videos. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. The DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo is a pocket-sized camera that offers impressive features for capturing high-quality videos and photos. With its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, it keeps the camera steady and provides smooth video even when on the move. The upgraded 1 divided by 1.7 inches sensor captures 64MP photos and 4 Kelvin videos, providing excellent image quality. Its 4 microphones allow for directional sound recording, and the DJI Matrix Stereo feature enhances audio based on the camera's direction and focus. Additionally, it has glamour effects, which offers more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. The DJI Pocket 2 is also equipped with AI Editor, which automatically combines clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. With its compact size, the DJI Pocket 2 weighs only 116 grams and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life, making it easy to carry around and use at any time. The DJI Mimo app is compatible with most smartphones and can be used to control the camera and access its features. Number 3. Sony HDR CX240 divided by L video camera. Based on the information provided, the Sony HDR CX240 divided by L video camera appears to be a decent entry-level option for those looking to capture full HD video with a compact and lightweight camera. The camera boasts a 1920 by 1080 Full HD 60p resolution with a 9.2MP Exmor CMOS sensor, which should provide good image quality in various lighting conditions. The 29.8mm wide-angle Carl Zeiss lens is a nice feature that allows users to capture wider shots with greater depth of field, while the 27x optical and 54x clear image zoom offer some versatility for getting closer to the action. One potential downside is that this camera may not be suitable for professional-level video production due to its limited manual controls and lack of advanced features. However, for those who just want to capture family events, vacations, or other personal moments, the Sony HDR CX240 divided by L is a solid choice. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.